You're watching another episode of JM's Garage. Welcome back. In today's episode, we'll be going into the R33 and getting the engine out, inspecting the engine, and seeing where we're going to go from there. So, first things first, going to get the hood off the R33, raise the car, get all the fluids out, and then start taking the engine out. So just having a quick look underneath here before I start prepping the engine. If you can see in there, you can see a bolt, and it looks to be a conrod of sorts. Oh, almost got oil in my mouth. Good. I'm pretty stoked. It's done. Now we can start working on the engine and figuring out what's wrong with it. So we got the gearbox off the RB25, and now I'm just going to remove the clutch off the engine and get the engine up on an engine stand, and then let's dig in. So halfway through getting the clutch apart and just taking the bolts out of the flywheel, and you can see in there,
what in the fuck?
There's like shards, massive shards of metal in there.
Well, you pop this off. Let's have a look at it.
Yeah, let's see what that is all about. Just while I've been getting the engine on the engine stand, have a look at this little sexiness. Ooh. Holy! Holy! Holes for days. So we're going to get the sump off now, and the big reveal of how badly my engine is ruined. I hope you guys are ready for this, because I don't know if I am. Holy dooly. So that is taking the sump straight off, and look at this. Yeah. Wow. She's stuffed. She is cooked. Boys and girls, just finished the final coat of the white paint gloss on the interior of the 180. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick little show around the 180 and where it's up to after that sad reveal about the RB25 being completely so just finished it, and this is what she looks like. It's came up real nice, so really happy with how this has turned out. Went real thick, especially even more thick in the footwells. Use a whole can of paint just in this little area here every single time I did a layer, and with each layer I used 7 cans of spray paint, so 7 250ml cans. So I went through a fair bit of paint, but that's all done. And today I brought down my drill, so I've been itching to get this other over fender off, just to see what's underneath and what it's like. So gonna do that real quick, and then I'll let you guys know how it went. Got a little bit pretty excited. There is a bit of a dingle in this side, but look, it's not that bad. I've seen worse, that's for sure. So I'm not, like, I'm a little bit bummed about it, but like, I've had a look at the rails and everything, but when I actually got the cage, I jacked it up all around when I got the shell, I jacked it up all around and like got it up, had a look underneath, made sure everything was nice and straight, and everything's like freaking. So apart from that one little dent, it's not the end of the world. It's getting covered anyway, so I'm just gonna clean this up, get all this silicone or whatever it is off, and get it ready to put the other over fenders on. After seeing how badly damaged the RB25 was, after going out to QR, I guess you guys are wondering what's next. Well, what's next is I've got another RB25 block and another RB25 head, and I'm going to be taking you guys through the whole build process. I'm going to buy a bunch of parts and actually make it a more reliable RB25. What I've got here is, this is the RB25 head that was in the R33. This is an RB25 block. This is the new one I've just bought. This is the new RB24. Oh, well, it's not new, well, second hand. Came out of an R33 as well, with 140,000 Ks on it. This is a RB25 head. And then this is just a backup block as well. So the plan was to take this to an engine shop before I found all this, and I'm still going to take this to an engine shop, just get it all looked over, get it cleaned up and refreshened a little bit, and then hopefully the plan is do that and then buy all the parts and everything for the build. And then hopefully I can find an engine shop that will actually let me go through the process of the build with you guys, and we can all go through it together step by step and learn how to build a reliable RB25 that I'm going to be taking drifting, and something that I can, with my driving style, because obviously I'm still just an amateur. After the last time I went to the track, that was my first time drifting, so I'm still learning heaps. And yeah, with my driving style, where I'm still learning how to drift and how to drive and everything, I need something that can actually handle me hitting the limiter more than I should be, and something that will last. And you know, I don't go to the track with the thought in the back of my head, oh, what if my engine blows, or what if something happens again when I'm at the track this time. So that's the plan, fingers crossed, and can't wait to do that with you guys. I just wanted to show you guys also off my my head that was in the car. I thought the head was sweet, but after having a closer look, this is the rear of the engine here, and this is cylinder 6, where the conrod went in cylinder 6. So you can see it's got a little bit of damage up here on this side. I'm not sure if you can just like shim that, like take this to an engine shop and just get them to shave this whole edge back like a mil or something, because it doesn't look like it's that deep, or if that will even affect your engine. But when I take everything to the shop, I might just take this with me and get them to have a look at it. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys, and can't wait for all this to happen. And I'm so pumped, I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. See ya. Also just wanted to give a quick congrats to the homie James. He's just done a massive sticker merch release, and these are his stickers, and they've came up pretty freaking awesome. So supporting the homie, congrats dude, keep up the good work, proud of you. And yeah, just wanted to say that.